Welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? Today I am participating in a collab between JMoPainting and Mina, Villegas Art, and myself. We met the fellow behind JMoPainting at the Fluid Art Boutique in Santa Fe. Wonderful fellow, wonderful wife, just really nice people, salt of the earth. And he utilizes methods in his paintings that we don't usually utilize. So today I'm gonna try to get a toothpick out of this little toothpick holder. Today I'm gonna do, I believe, a straight pour on a little 10 by 10 canvas. And just to mix things up a little bit, I'm gonna use Artist Loft Ready to Pour paints. This one is turquoise. I have titanium white. I have phthalo blue, old gold, violet, and I think for my base I'm going to use sap green. Now I have done a couple of experiments over the last week or two with these paints, and they are thin, you guys. I'm so used to using, you know, thick paints. I've also had some trouble with paint boogers, which is kind of gross. But I'm not going to blame that on Artist Loft. I'm going to blame that on the fact that these paints have been sitting on my shelf for a strong 2 years. I bought them. I wanted them very badly. I waited until they went on sale. And I did I think it was buy one, get one half off. And these aren't cheap. So I think I used them once. Was not largely in favor of them because they're thin or for some other reason. I don't remember. It's been a long time. So when we met Mr. JMoPainting, he said, let's do a collab. And we said, okay. And we decided to use what he often uses. So Artist Loft it is. That one's been giving me trouble, so we're just gonna, does this have a, yes it does. Crap, and I just put on gloves. So, yeah, I'm just gonna layer a cup, and I am going to layer it. I had previously dirty poured with these, and they were really pretty. They're really subdued. And so for a 10 by 10 painting, I only need about 3.5 ounces of paint. You get the idea. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little of this white in here. Not much. Now, I'm going to put down some green. Why green, you ask? Well, because I put down, whoops, it hasn't been opened yet. I put down white the last couple of times and found out, much to my dismay, that when you make chameleon cells, it picks up the color of the base coat, which makes sense. And when your base coat's white, your cells all come up white, and it's not very pretty. So I'll put down some green. now I'm going to take my cup and make a little pour spout. And I'm going to take off with my straight pour. Tilting we will go. First I'm just going to roll it around a little. I've already got some hair serum in here, so I'm just gonna pick a place. Anybody else seeing the hungry caterpillar in blue? done. I like it. It's cute. It is really cute. I got through to the canvas in a few places. I am not real sure how to keep that from happening, but I'm sure that if I watched more JMoPainting, he's probably got the secret somewhere. So, whoops. Let me bring you down onto the canvas for a little flyover for wet results, and we'll be back when it's dry. Okay, here are our wet results. Started over here, so we'll start over here. Now, as you can see, I did go through the canvas in a few places. I'm gonna assume that's because I actually touched the canvas with the toothpick. But you can see how the cells form. And then we go down here, and I guess I had a little stray drip. And then here comes the tail of the beast back on and off of the canvas. We got some of that green undercoat. And then we go off and back on over here and get some more of the green and blue. The purple comes through. I really do like the lines. They're pretty. I feel like this might be a good kind of paint to use for the Fiona split cut feathery lightning pour thing, but boy, oh boy, does it ever spread quick. My straight pour ended up looking like something. I'm just not sure what. But this was fun to play with, and makes a really cool pattern. So we'll be back for some wet results, but for right now, there we are. And results, dried results number 2 from the JMO and Mina Villegas art collab. This is the one that I did a straight pour, and then I dipped a toothpick into hair serum and made little designs. Little did I know that the cells would grow forever and ever. So there's that bunch. And there's that bunch. And there is that bunch. Now both of these paintings were on with the Artist Loft Ready to Pour paint, and that stuff is thin. So I'm just not used to working with thin paints. I had a real problem trying to control them. So but I tried, and it was fun. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, y'all.